Memes, the language of online unity. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of modern English, the phrase, memes bond us. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how it reflects contemporary culture. Let's dive in. First, let's define meme. A meme is a humorous image, video, piece of text, etc., that is copied, often with slight variations, and spread rapidly by internet users. It's like an inside joke shared by a large group of people online. They can be about anything, from funny animals to popular culture references. Now, onto the phrase, memes bond us. This phrase suggests that memes have a unifying effect. They bring people together. When we share or laugh at the same meme, we feel connected, even if we're miles apart or from different backgrounds. It's a way of saying that through shared humor and experiences, we find a sense of community. Memes are more than just jokes. They often reflect societal trends, political views, or collective experiences. By understanding the context behind a meme, you can gain insight into the values, concerns, and humor of a particular group. This is especially useful for English language learners as it offers a glimpse into the nuances of English-speaking cultures. For language learners, memes can be a fun and engaging tool. They often include colloquial language, slang, and cultural references, providing a real-world context to the language. By understanding and sharing memes, you can improve your language skills and feel more connected to the English-speaking world. So, there you have it. Memes do more than just make us laugh. They bring us together, creating bonds through shared humor and experiences. I hope this video helps you appreciate the unique role memes play in language and culture. Keep exploring, keep laughing, and see you in our next video.